What's up, people? Welcome back to Justus Drawings. It's your boy Justus. So, if you want to learn how to draw, you want to learn how to sketch, you are an art enthusiast, or you just want to see me do stupid stuff all in the name of art, please hit that subscribe button down below. Videos are posted every week, so you don't want to miss this. For those who have been here since the channel started, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you how to draw a glass jug. Yeah. I hope the video will be helpful to you. So comment, let me know what you thought of the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Please subscribe to the channel. Road to 500 subscribers. Yeah, I really need your help, guys. Road to 500 subscribers. So let's get straight into the video.
So cliche, I see the sparks you throw.